Hey queens, hey kings, what is good? It's your girl Babi with the vibes, and I am back. I said I am back with another video. If you are new here, you're welcome. I hope you stay. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support, for the love. I truly appreciate y'all. I want to say a big thank you to 8,800 plus subscribers. Yay! You guys rock. Now let's get this channel to 2K subscribers, okay? Okay, but to get us to 2K, y'all need to smash that subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell icon to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Check out my other videos, leave a like if it works for you, and share with your friends and your family. Do not forget to leave your comments down below. And please do not be rude, because rude ain't pretty. Period. Okay, so today's video is sort of related to the last video I uploaded, which by the way has been doing pretty good. It worked for most of you. It's still working for me. Let me show you guys real quick. So, this is how my game is. As y'all can see, from the last tutorial I made days ago, I still have 200 plus gems and 100 plus passes. Okay, I haven't played much because I am busy with my studies. Like I said, I have finals in a week, but yeah, I am able to go in and out of my game without getting banned nor suspended. So that's a good thing, right? I did say I used the paid app cloner version 2.10.1, and I'm not sure if that is why I have no problems yet. But for those of you using the app cloner I provided, which is a modded app cloner and an older version 2.6.0, some of you complained that it did not work, whilst it did actually work for others. Okay, so yeah, if you want to pay for the original app cloner to have access to its premium features, you can do that. I will be leaving links in the description below. Okay, so enough with the talking. I'm sorry I talk too much. I know, but I just want to help y'all understand a lot of things that makes it easier to answer most of the questions you would have asked. All right, anyways, today's video, like I said, will be in relation to the last one I uploaded. As you already know, the episode developers know about Lucky Patcher. Okay, they know the only way to get gems and passes is to turn off your internet and purchase them right after. Okay, now the episode version 14.41 was proof that they finally caught up to the hack. Therefore, for those who did not know, this was what you would have seen anytime you wanted to purchase gems and passes. Yep, I did come up with an idea and it worked fine. Now the new thing is, what do you do if there were a newer version like this? Guys, currently the newer version of episode is version 14.43 from the Play Store. Okay, and the question is, do you go ahead and update your game or not? The other question is, if you do decide to update your game, are you going to lose your progress or not? Now y'all know having to start your stories all over again is super annoying. So here's what you're gonna do. Please pay attention and watch till the very end. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I do need to update my episode OG, but I'm not gonna do that. I did try it actually, but I had to uninstall it because before I decided to make this video, I decided to test out this technique on how we're going to, update our episode game, okay, from the last video I uploaded. And as you can see, this is not version 14.41, this is version 14.43. So I did have some trial and errors, and I finally made this happen. Okay, initially from what I did, I failed. Okay, I failed miserably. I couldn't purchase gems, but I was able to open my game. The concern is, how do we not lose progress of our stories? Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing. We're going to do this together, so don't be scared. I need y'all to pay attention, and this should work for you just like it worked for me. See, I did not lose my gems, I did not lose my passes. The only story I was at was this, which I already started, as you can see, some days ago. I really have not had time because I've been busy with my studies. But yeah, this is proof that if you follow my steps, you will not lose your progress. Okay? Okay, so I'm talking too much. I know. What you want to do not bother yourself updating your episode OG to the latest version. Don't do that. Remember, the episode clone is a standalone. So when you update your episode OG, it does not affect the clone. Okay, it does not affect the clone at all. So what you need to do is to keep it at 14.33 and not 14.43. Okay, so this is the OG. This is how you make the difference and all of that. Okay, so what I need you to do currently is to open up App Cloner. I have the links to the modded version in the description box below. I have the link to the main page of the original App Cloner in the links below, description below, sorry. So just check it out, and you can choose to pay for it or just go ahead and use the modded App Cloner. Okay, clearly mine and yours would look differently if you decide to go for the modded App Cloner. So a lot of you asked where you could find adaptive icon support. I did say that since our versions are different, you would most definitely find yours under launcher icon. Okay, so it should be somewhere around this side, whilst mine is, in one of these options under modern. Okay, so like I said, what you're going to do is to open up episode. I have to scroll down, just go to storage options. Okay, now I need you to look for allow backup. You're going to allow it, and then you're going to select OK. You're also going to enable prompt to keep app data on uninstall. So this would give you a prompt to save your data. That way data is not lost. That way you get to maintain or keep your progress and not lose it all together. Okay, so these are the only two things you're going to do. Now once you're done, you're going to developer options for yours. Mine would be manifest and resource options. Okay, you're going to look for version name, and you're going to change it from the previous 14.41 to 14.43, and then you're going to select OK. All right, again, you're going to version code. change it from the previous 1441001 to 1443001. So this is the current episode version. All right, so once you're done, you can exit. Make sure these other options are already done with. I mean, it should already be there. You don't need to repeat the whole process. You only have to do this for storage options and that for version name and code. That is the only thing. If you are confused about what I'm talking about, go ahead and watch my previous or my last video. Okay, good. So once you're done, you can go ahead and clone your game. You're going to select okay, and then it's going to start cloning. All right, now what you need to know is, let's just do this. Okay, I'm gonna clone it. I wanted to just cancel it since I already had that done, but you know how I do it. I love to start from the beginning and then end it with y'all so that you can see that I'm not trying to scam nobody. I'm not faking nothing. It's all from the beginning to the very end. I've had a lot of people come with, this is a scam, you're lying, this is fake. Like, what? I mean, clearly you see me do it. You see it working. Why are you saying it's fake? It's not my fault it's not working for you, honestly. It could be from your phone type, maybe your phone model. Oh, come to think of it, let me cancel this. Why not try to maybe change your phone type or something? I don't know. Where's this? I think that could be found. Let me check real quick. I need to check for this. I was thinking some of you were like, you use older versions of Android, like Android 8, Android blah blah blah. I have the latest Android version 11, so I don't know if that makes any difference at all. I'm not sure. Oops, where would I find this? This is so confusing. Developer options. Let's see. Okay, Android version. I think over here you can actually modify your Android version. Okay, so guys, you could try maybe put in version 11 or something and see if it makes any difference at all. I don't know. Okay, so you could try that. You could go to developer options, look for Android version, and change just the release. So either 11, 10, 8, whatever. Okay, awesome. Just gonna go ahead and clone this again. So this will convert the existing app, creating a clone version named episode clone. We know that. So let's go ahead and clone this. I need to show you how it works. Remember, my current game has 200 plus gems and 100 plus passes. So let's see if I'm going to lose it by doing this process or not. Whilst we're waiting, as usual, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please smash that subscribe button right now. Turn on the post notification bell icon to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Check out my other videos. Leave a like if it works for you. Share this tutorial or other tutorials with your friends and your family. Yes, the Lucky Patcher hack still works. The only thing is the developers are just trying to mess it up. Okay, they are doing everything. So from the version 14.41 upwards might not work directly with Lucky Patcher, unfortunately. Okay, so this is just the only way we can play episode. This is the only way we can play episode. I appreciate those of you who are exploring things by yourselves and coming up with ideas. You guys are brilliant. Thank you so much. Continue doing this. Leave your suggestions in the comment section below. help your friends. We are in this together. Also, I will be making a Discord very soon. I did post this in the community of my channel, and then yeah, I did say please leave name suggestions for the Discord. I will be making it very soon and be sharing the link, so look out for that. Okay, it's going to be amazing. We will be able to share ideas, come up with solutions, and I get to quickly respond to your questions, and we could help each other. Okay, awesome. So now that our episode has been cloned, you can go ahead and install the app. So it's going to ask, do you want to install and update this existing application? Yes, you're going to install it. So let's just wait for this to finish up. Make sure your OG is still 14.33. I did have mine update to the latest version. Okay, I tried to follow this same steps and it did not work for me, so I had to uninstall my OG 14.43 to install this older version, and then I did have to downgrade. Okay, I did have to downgrade because I had already altered my episode clone. So it did give me other things, but let me know if you run into any problems. I'm just sure that this should work, but if you have any problems whatsoever, let me know. Make sure you follow my steps carefully, and yeah, fingers crossed it should work. So once you're done, of course you need to patch your episode game, else you would not be able to buy gems and passes. Okay, so you're gonna patch episode clone. We're gonna do this again just to show you guys what exactly you're supposed to do. So yeah, this is it. And guys, I found out that you can actually back up your your episode game, your patched game, since the episode clone is already cloned and all of that. I mean, all the same, you can come select episode clone, for instance, and you're going to see tools in the drop down menu. You can select that. There's an option where you can back up. Okay, you can back up your game before you do anything. Okay, that way if it doesn't work for you, you can always go back to Lucky Patcher and restore it. Okay, there's another option where you can restore. So I think that is cool. You can explore and let me know what you think. So once you're done, you can reinstall, or if you do not see reinstall, you can simply uninstall and install, and it's going to work the same way. Make sure this is checked, and then you're going to select here. So guys, this is what you're going to see. This is what you need to see. Do you want to uninstall this app for all users? Blah blah blah. And then down here you can see keep 3.78 megabyte of app data. You're going to check that. Okay, wait, did I check it? Oh my god, I don't remember. This is crazy. I think I did, right? Because it says, do you want to install an update to this existing app? Your existing data will not be lost. Okay, good. So yeah, I did check it. I don't know why it just had to reload or load that quickly, but yeah, I did. So go ahead and check keep your data and then select OK, and it's going to give you an option to install your game back. And then yeah, this is where it gets exciting. So finally you gotta find out if you get to continue from where you stopped or not. Once you're done, you can open your episode clone, and you should see your gems the same way you left it, okay, and your passes. Also, you can go ahead and buy them. Why has my phone frozen? Oh my god. Let's do this again. Just gonna quickly clear episode and open it again because somehow it has frozen. Let's do this again. Okay, good. So as you can see, the gems are intact. Let's check if there is any change to the version. Yes, indeed, there has been a change. 14.43001. This is the latest version of episode. Go back to the home. My game, this I started with this. As you can see, the bar below shows that I did start this some days ago. I didn't finish. Let's try purchasing some gems and passes and see if it works. So you can turn off your data, your Wi-Fi, your internet. As you can see, I have 231 gems. I'm just gonna get maybe 10 gems. Check that. This, yes. Now I have 241 gems. Guys, a lot of you said you did this and you still got banned. I need you to keep this at a minimal as usual. Please do not go overboard. Never select 675 or 1500. Really just keep it at a minimal. So far, with just 200 plus gems and 100 plus passes, I have not been banned nor suspended. So maybe you can keep it to that minimal, okay, and it should work for you. So I haven't turned back on my Wi-Fi, my data. I'm just simply going to exit my game. Then I can turn back on my Wi-Fi and go back into my episode game like this. Now if your game keeps running like this for too long and it gets stuck on the loading screen, you can just clear it from the recents and open it back again. Okay, yeah. So guys, this is it. This is it. I hope it works for you the same way it has worked for me. I know how it feels to lose your progress and have to start all over again. I had to come up with something. Fingers crossed, if you do it right, if you make your own research on how you're going to make it right, it's going to work for you. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Always keep your Lucky Patcher app updated to the latest version. Okay, you can definitely uninstall your episode OG if you like, but anytime you need to update it, you might have to go ahead and download an older version from uptodown.com or any other place in case it does not work for you. Okay, so yeah, thank you once again. Stay safe, mask up, and see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.